Let's make an egg hair sticker today. Trace your hair sticker. Draw a sunny side egg. Prepare the felt pieces. You'll need 2 pieces for the egg yolk. Glue the face pieces down. Then sew on the eyelashes. Blanket stitch both pieces together, leaving a gap. Now fill the egg yolk with fillings. Sew the gap close. Then glue it onto an orange piece. Flatten the edge as much as you can, so it would look like the egg yolk. Cut with 2 mm allowance. Then glue it onto the egg white. Lastly, glue the egg on a brown piece. Cut out with 2 mm allowance. Finally, glue the egg onto the hair sticker. Cut the excess. And we're done.